In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Stremio on Chromebook. So let's get started, okay? So we have three methods, okay? The first method is downloading Stremio using Google Play. So first of all, go to settings, then you'll have to go over to the app section, and then you're gonna see something like this, okay? Now once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and click on Google Play Store, and you'll have to make sure that you've enabled it, okay? So in my case, it's already enabled, so as you can see, I have the remove option here. Now once it is enabled, you'll have to go ahead and open it up. As you can see down there, just go ahead, search up Stremio, download it, log in, and you're good to go. But now this only works if your Chromebook supports Android, which most do. However, if it does not support Android, then the other way is by Linux. So for this, you'll have to first search up right here Linux, and you'll have to download it, okay? Now once you download it, a terminal pop-up is gonna come like this, okay? Now here, to download Stremio, you'll have to put in these commands. So as you can see, the first step is to download the stremio.deb file. So you'll have to copy this and you'll have to paste this right here, okay? And then click on enter. Similarly, once you click enter, then you'll have to copy the second command, paste it, click enter, then copy the third command and then click enter. And lastly, after using these three commands, you would have downloaded Stremio, and then you can just run it by typing the name, okay? Now this is the second method. Now if this doesn't work, then the last option is to just use the web version. So just go ahead and type Stremio and use their website online. So alright guys, those are the three methods I went over, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.